county eyo ya Kisii anene kurwa se constituency ya Bonchari ensemo ya Riana saba kagura batatu bobo ibi banyara koba bakora subo tukubugokera rero n'abanyanyimbo kurwa se county ya Kisii kubatekana no mukomanda bw'abanyanyimbo imeye county ya Kisii Charles Kisesi nigate biraba begwabo banyarire koba bagokorerwa obotukina bwo kurigwa semetinye berebono ababegwabo magiga yabarabokora suwa masasi nigo banyara koba bagotoka nebunduki anene elie AK47.
This is an operation that we have been conducting for the last 2 months. We have had a wave of criminal activities, robberies within the region for the last 2 months, and we have been trailing, through intelligence, we have been trailing these criminals for the last 2 months. So yesterday at around 6 p.m., we were able to catch up with the criminals at Konambaya area within Suneka, and 3 robbers who are riding on a motorcycle from Suneka, from Migori area towards Kisii, were fatally shot by our officers, and they were able, the locals here at Suneka were able to identify one of the thugs that was among the thugs or criminals who attacked or who robbed the supermarket here at Suneka. So it was a successful operation, and we are committed to continue doing the operation because we have our duty as a National Police Service to provide security, protect life and property, and that's our responsibility. So these criminals had with them, they had an AK47 assault rifle containing 21 rounds of ammunition. They also had a Rambo sword and a Masai machete. So these are the recoveries that we got from these criminals, and these are the crude weapons. Also, they were riding on that motorcycle. You can see that motorcycle is being, it has a number plate which you are yet to confirm whether it's a real, genuine number or a fake one. So the serial number of this firearm is obliterated. We cannot confirm the serial number. However, we are going to take it to ballistic examination. For now, we suspect there are still others who are still at large, but we are still getting information from the members of public